Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making stir-fry cabbage. It's a great side dish or meal on its own. Very simple but yet delicious. If you want to see how I made this, watch till the end and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. In a pan I will add my coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to allow it to heat up. Next I'll add my minced garlic and allow it to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Next I'll add my chopped onions and carrots. Allow it to fry for 2 minutes. Next I'll add my cabbage. I'll mix well to combine. I'll proceed by adding my red and green bell peppers and season with black pepper and all-purpose seasoning. Stir to combine. Next I will add butter, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I check on it and give it a good stir, and we are done. You can enjoy it as it is or complement it with anything you like fried chicken, rice or spaghetti. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.